Hey everyone, welcome to Rio Memes World, where you learn the data analytics and English in a fun way. Want to learn data engineering and speak better English? You're in the right place. My name is Pavan, and I'm a data architect who loves teaching in a simple, fun way. I live in different countries, especially in Southeast Asia, and I'm here to help beginners learn the skills they need to grow in Tech PC and in English speaking head. I'll post short videos where you'll learn things like how to write your first SQL query, what ETL and data pipelines are, how to speak confidently in TOEFL speaking, and how to grow your English vocabulary every day. Whether you want to get a remote job, study abroad graduation cap, or just improve your skills, I've got you. No long lectures, no tech jargon, just clear, real-world lessons. So if you're ready to grow, hit that follow button now. And comment below where you're from. Let's build this learning journey together. Globe Speech Balloon. See you tomorrow with your first SQL plus TOEFL tip fire. Let's go.